Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie Costa, if you did not know that already. So today's video is going to be my last Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. Just because Ipsy Ultimate it's like a lot of product and I'm a bit behind, I guess, on what I have to use. And so I just decided to go ahead and cancel Ipsy, or at least temporarily until September. I don't know if I'll renew it or not, but yeah, this will be the last one for now. So if you want to see what's in my Ipsy Ultimate box for May 2020, just keep on watching. So the bag in this month's Ultimate is like this, just kind of like a sunrise, I guess, design to it with a tassel handle. Nothing too like adorable, so I think I'm just gonna give this to like a family or a friend because I probably won't be using it. This would make for, like, honestly, a makeup bag or a brush bag. Alright, so the first thing in the box was this Laura Geller Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek palette. So it has like 4 eyeshadows right here, a blush, and a highlighter. I used everything but the highlighter. This is my eyeshadow. Mainly, I guess I did put it all over my eye, but I put another eyeshadow that you'll see on top in the inner eye. But I did use the blush, and definitely go in with a light hand, because if you have a very, dense brush, you're gonna look like a clown. So definitely go in with a light hand. This is the highlighter right here. Definitely a darker shade. With the light hand, I could probably make it work on my skin tone. But this is better fit definitely for someone with like medium tan skin. So this is technically a full-size item. On the website, it does come with 2 other similar palettes like this. So it would be, and also it was on sale on the website. So with the sale price, this would be about $7. But if it, based on the non-sale price, yeah, it's $23, which, sorry, not worth it. But yeah, but it is a nice little palette that you can travel with. Next in the box is this Colored Rain eyeshadow in the shade Champagne Life. I put this on more of the inner side of my eyeshadow, and I do really like it. I've had Color Rain products before and they're always pretty good. So this goes for about $7, and I think this is full size, pretty sure. And one thing I noticed, like on the website where it lists the items that I got, this is nowhere on it, so I'm kind of wondering if they accidentally put this in here, but I mean, it's fine with me. Next in my box is a Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. So I got it in the shade Night, which is a black, and Coffee, which is a brown color. I did kind of try to use both on my eyes. I mainly used the black, and I tried to use like the brown as an outline, but you really can't tell. But I really do like the eyeliner. It went on very smoothly, and it is very pigmented. Definitely would lean more towards the black shade more than the brown shade, but they both work just as good. And these are full size. They go for $16 each, so bringing a total of $32 for the liquid eyeliners. Next up is this IBY Radiant Glow highlighter in the shade Prosecco. I did put this on my cheekbones, and it is a very blinding highlight. Blends well with my skin tone. This is technically a deluxe sample, and this is valued at around about $8.40. Next is this Naked Cosmetics lip scrub in the flavor Vanilla Cream. I definitely see this more as like a lip balm than a lip scrub. Or that's just like the top layer, because on the top layer it really couldn't exfoliate my lips that well. It definitely is more of a balm as far as I can tell. So this little thing, when it's not on sale, it would be about $12, but it's on sale right now, so it's $5. Next up is this, it's a Tarte Sugar Rush Sugar Coat in the shade Cupcake. I really like the shade of this lipstick, and I do like the feeling of it. It feels very weird, like velvet, I guess. I don't know if this is technically like it is a velvet liquid lipstick, but your lips almost feel like kind of numb or just like plush when you apply it. It's really weird. But this goes for $15, and I would highly recommend you to try this out. Next in the box is this, I think it's In Beauty Project. So it's a glaze #1 lip oil for soft, plump, and supple lips. Plumps, hydrates, and smooths. It's pretty much a lip gloss. The one thing I will say about it is that it definitely does smell like juicy candy apple flavor, and it says it's sweetened with stevia. It definitely smells like, I guess you could say, like a Jolly Rancher, which my lips tasting like candy is not a good idea. And this is full size, and this goes for $15. Next up is this Dermamedicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer with SPF 25. So it has sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, vitamin E. It's a daily face moisturizer, which I've definitely been wanting a moisturizer that has SPF with it. So that is great to have in my box. And I believe this is full size, and this goes for $60. So definitely not something I would be purchasing after using, but good to have. Next up is this, the Beauty Factor Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm. So originally I thought this was a facial cleanser, but it's actually a like makeup remover. And instead of like a balm being in that typical like jar, it's in a tube. So I thought that was extremely interesting. So it says probiotic formula, activation in skin factor, skin balance, barrier enhancement, activate self-reproducing, which I think that's just a weasel word, because your skin, you know, pretty much reproduces by itself. It doesn't need a cleanser to do that. Healthy skin. This balances skin and empowers the skin's natural strength, texture, elastic moisture jam. Ingredient clears unwanted dead skin cells and provides hydration. Well, yeah, super excited to try this out. That's what the container looks like. I really like the packaging. It's different than anything I've seen. So this is I think it's around like $20.50, which definitely like isn't bad compared to what I've seen. So yeah. Next in my box is this, who is this by? Hong Jisoo, whatever. Vegan approved shea butter nourishing mask for extremely dry skin, oil, moisture imbalance, uneven skin texture. That's on this side. And then this one is a British Rose hydrating mask. Solutions for rough skin, dryness, and tired skin. So that sounds like me. Super excited to get more masks. I haven't really been able to use sheet mask in a while because I haven't got any in any subscription boxes. So super excited about this. So these go for about $6 each. So there's 2 of them. So about $12 total. Next in the box is this Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. So it firms and visibly reduces dark circles and wrinkles. It says ultra nourishing eye cream firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Advanced peptides and retinol increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. So pretty much just saying what any typical eye cream does. And this is full size, and this goes for $82. I'm sure it's a great brand and a great product, but not gonna pay that amount for it. Next in the box is this Way of Will Invigorating Hands and Body Lotion. So it has sweet orange and elemi. I think it's a like essential oil lotion for your skin, and this is a deluxe sample. So the full size goes for $28, and I can't remember exactly how many milliliters or how many ounces it was, but the value that I calculated for this item would be about $3.50. Yep, it definitely smells really good. I wonder if this is the same brand that I've got in essential oils from, because that smells very familiar. So next in my box is this Pure Heals by Nature Village Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So it looks like it's like a K-Beauty brand. Pore Clear Charcoal Peel Off Mask helps remove impurities and smooth skin texture. Okay. I don't know. Charcoal mask, peel off mask kind of scares me, considering those videos that circulated around the internet with the peel off mask. Probably not the best thing for your skin. But this goes for around $25. I don't think I could find like a 100% actual value of this product. Just kind of like $21 to $27, I think it was. So around $25 would be the value of this product. And lastly in my box is actually an add-on that I added. Obviously I needed more sheet mask, so I added more sheet mask. This is the J. June Cosmetics Essential Calming Mask. These look really familiar, and I think we may have had them before in an Ipsy box, I think. And so one is a pore tightening and one is a even skin tone mask. And these go for $3 each, so a total of $6 value. I think it was like I think it was just $3 to add it on, so pretty much got it half off. Alright, so that is it for my Ipsy Ultimate unboxing, my last one for now. The total of the box is $283. So for the Ultimate, it's $50 a month. You're getting above $250 worth of products, so they definitely hit that mark. And usually it's 8 full-size products and like 4 deluxe-size products, but I think there was only like 2 deluxe-size products. And how many products did I get? Yeah, I think I got like 12 full-size products. I don't know what they're considering deluxe, considering I didn't get the pamphlet for the box, but I think there's only like 2 deluxe size things and like 12 full-size products, so that's pretty good. Alright, and that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.